Alright, Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do chapter 3 A4 assignment. And this assignment, this project is you are going to have a project which can accumulate the total sales given by the user. So if I have first time is $100, so if I have $100 and first time I got another $50 or 150. So now in order to do that, we need a variable. We need a variable remain in memory until application ends, because I need to click this calculate total sales several times. So I really need to go beyond procedure level, need to be at something is called class level. All right, and to be do a class level, I need to put here is before outside your procedure. All right, so in order to do that, I need you to download this this work is partially complete work. So you right click it and save link as. So once you save link as right here at your own folder, since I already have it, so I'm not going to save it. I'll cancel this. Once you got it right there, then you are going to go to your zip file right here and you right click it and you want to extract. You want to see that 1 2 3 4 extract, select 1 2 3, extract to a folder here. As soon as you do that, you have a folder. Then you got folder and you want to open the SLN. SLN file stands for solution file. You want to open the solution file. Once you double click the solution file, it will open to your file as a it will be open your Visual Studio file. First, I'm going to mark it down the static level variable, and first of all, I want it to be a variable is total, but it's a global variable. So I need to put private and DEC. I'm going to call these DEC cells as DEC total, my fault. All right, so I'm going to put, now you see a line between the variable declaration and the procedure. So inside this is the procedure, but you see the DEC total is beyond that procedure. All right, so now if I click this and I got 100, I click again and the value will return. So I have these right two variables. The first variable right here is DEC cells at decimal. Now you learn this. First, you must have put these three lines: option explicit on, option strict on, option infer off. So these will require you to declare variables and also to have a data type, and also make sure you can only assign the value into the same type. All right, so we do like this right now. Then we are going to say this. All right, since this is called text, sales text, this is from user interface. User interface is white color. Going to the light blue, cyan color, light blue, gray, that's your variable. You see the color difference to hint you that user go to variable. And it's decimal, you have to put decimal in front. Try parse, memorize this right now. So now your decimal, you accumulate decimal cells into decimal total. Your decimal total will remain the value. Then you want to assign into this LBL total cell. LBL total cell is a text. And decimal total is a decimal. Decimal is not allowed to go to string. Remember, it's integer to integer, double to double, decimal to decimal, string to string. So I have to change the decimal total, convert to a string, so string can go to string right now. And you're going to build it. Alright, and you're going to start without debugging. Alright, so we are going to do first time $100. That's one time procedure level. So procedure level, this decimal total will become 0. Alright, but I'm going to do 200 right now. But it remains to 200 plus 100 because it is beyond procedure level. It's a global variable. And I make another $50 and $350. The reason is you have a class level variable. All right. So once you finish these, I need you to make sure you go to your drive right there. I make sure you go to your file and this one and go open out here in the bin folder, debug. Make sure you copy this exe to desktop and you're going to rename this as a class.exe. So you're going to copy this, copy, then you are going to copy and you may go to your desktop right here. Okay, so once you go to desktop here, you rename this to chapter 3 and class.exe. Now you finish one. Now we're going to tell you a different one. Is we understand we need something remain in memory, but looks like this variable is only used in this button calculate this procedure. So in order to have less people to have this variable right now, less people to have more security, so less people can access to this variable, what you need to do is change that to static variable. So right here, I take this line out right here, so no more that. And instead of it's a static, so it will act like a global variable. You run it right now, it will act like a global variable. All right, but it is more secured because only this procedure can use this. So 100. All right, so I 200 right now. Oh, so sorry, 200. Then I make another 50. And so now for this lesson, you learn this right now. You learn another two type, class scope, and it is declared as private, and procedure level, but has a class level type, act like a class level, and that's called static. And plus the lesson we learned from last week is procedure level is dim. Right? I hope you understand this lesson and you like this lesson. Okay?